So the next example problem of chi-square distribution of goodness of it is in the case of binomial distribution. So here the question is given a survey of 320 families with 5 children each, and the data is given below. So here in each family, here the number of families are 14, 56, 110, 88, 40 and 12. So in that families, here 5 girls are there, here 1 boy, 4 girls, 2 boys, 3 girls. So like this, the family consisting of 5 children of 320 families, right? So he's asking, the question is this result consisting with the hypothesis that male and female birds are equally probable? Male and female birds are equally probable or not? So now we need to first set up in the solution, we need to set up the null hypothesis. How to set up null hypothesis? So in the question is given, is this result consisting with the hypothesis that male and female birds are equally probable? So null hypothesis, so H naught colon, so here writing here only statements because it's chi-square distribution, right? So this result gives that male and female birds are equally probable, right? This result gives that male and female birds are equally probable. So alternative hypothesis, it becomes H1 colon, the opposite of the null hypothesis. This result do not gives that male and female birds are equally probable. Or in simple way we can write it as the birds of male and female are equally probable, and the alternative not equally probable. You can write anything. So now, so in this case we use the binomial distribution, right? So binomial distribution, so what is the formula of binomial distribution? Probability mass function P of x equal to ncx to p power x into q power n minus x, right? So this is the probability mass function of binomial distribution. So here we need to find p, q values. So what is p here? So in the question is asking male and female birds are equally probable or not. Equally means we need to we are know if a coin or a dice or true or false, like these questions whenever appear in the binomial distribution, the probability of success will be half chances of there, so that is 1 by 2, and the probability of failure also half chances, pq are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, and n is equal to, here the number of observations are 5, so that equal to 5. So substitute in this case, p of x is equals to, we get 5cx 1 by 2 power x 1 by 2 power 5 minus x. So p of x equal to 5cx. So here when we are combining, the bases are same. When we are combining, the bases are same, 1 by 2 1 by 2 bases are same, so power should be added, x plus 5 minus x, that means 1 by 2 whole power 5 plus x minus x gets cancelled, where x takes the value 0 1 2 3 2 5, right? So when p of x equal to 5cx into 1 by 2 power 5, where x takes the value 0 1 2 5. So when we are substituting in the p of x equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5, we get the p of x values like this. And the expected frequencies, formula is n into p of x, capital N. So capital N means the total number of families are 320, right? 320 into p of x. P of x is these values. So when we are multiplying, we get the expected frequencies. Now we need to calculate the chi-square distribution. Calculate chi-square distribution. So first we need to write OI. OI means observed frequency, EI means expected frequency. So observed frequency is given, the number of families is observed frequency, that is 14, 56, 110, 88 and 40, last one is 12. Now expected frequency, what we are finding in the binomial table, that is 10, 50, 100, here 100, 50, 10. So now next, in the next table we need to find OI minus EI, observed frequency minus expected frequency, that is 14 minus 10 4, 6, 10, minus 12, minus 10 and 2. So now in the next table, OI minus EI whole square divided by EI. OI minus EI whole square by EI, that means 4 square by 10, 16 by 10. 16 by 10 means 1.6. Next, 6 square 36 by 50 means it appears 0.72. Then 100 by 100 is 1. 144 by 100 is plus 1.44. Then here 100 by 50 is 2. 4 by 10 is 0.4, right? So when we are adding all these values, we should get 7.16. So chi-square calculated value is 7.16. Now we need to get the table value. The degrees of freedom is equal to n minus 1. So n is, here total values are 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. Degrees of freedom is 5. So chi-square of 5% level of significance, degrees of freedom is 5, that is the table value is 11.07. So here. Therefore chi-square calculated is less than chi-square table value since H0 is accepted. So the result gives us the male and female birds are equally probable.